The only distance you have to cover between where you are at this moment and where you want to be in your life is the distance of believing in yourself. Chris Powell said, "Belief gives you the power to achieve the extraordinary." Hi, and welcome to the Daily Self-Love Podcast. I'm your host, CS Neha Bajaj, and this episode is all about believing in yourself. So, do you believe in yourself? Do you believe in your power and your inner strength? Do you aim high in life and then believe in your abilities to work hard to achieve your aims and goals and vision in your life? Dennis Waitley beautifully quoted the power of believing in yourself. He said, "If you believe you can, you probably can. If you believe you want, you most assuredly want." Belief is the ignition switch that gets you off the launching pad. And that is so true. No matter what you do, where you are in your life, how high you aim to go in your life, if you believe you can, you really can. So here are my top 3 ways to help you to actually start believing in yourself. First is to change your perspective. Change the way you see things around you. Change the way you perceive the world. Because you will see what you perceive. So turn the tables and now perceive what you want to see. That means if you want positivity in your life, perceive the world full of positivity. Remember, your perception is going to define you. Either you will succumb to the negativity around you, give up on your dreams, and regret your entire life, or you will challenge to overcome negativity, change your perception, become focused on priorities in your life, and rise above the negativity to experience the greatest blessing of all times. Second, don't stay in mediocrity. Only aiming high will not help you reach your goals in life. No amount of hard work or dedication can help you in reaching your goals. But just one thing you change and you will drive your vehicle towards achieving that high point of your vision. And what is that? You need to stop living your life in mediocrity. You can either fit in with society's norms, or you can believe in yourself and soar high in your inner power and strength. You cannot have both. Stop trying to fit into the world because you won't fit in. You are different, and so make the world adapt to you. And third, think big, act small. What I mean by that? Have your vision fixed at the highest point you want to achieve. Think as big as you can. Now, focus on small, daily, consistent actions that will help you reach your highest vision. Act on smaller things which when combined will help you reach your highest goals. Be fixed on your vision, but flexible on how you reach there. The highest level of performance is empowered by the power of belief, because what you believe drives what you do. And what you do determines what you achieve. All you need is to just start and be focused. So, do you choose to believe and experience a life driven by your soulful purpose? Or are you going to continue to live the same life of mediocrity, thinking small and acting small too? Choice is always yours. But what matters is what end result you want to have in your life. Again, ask this question to yourself, and I'm sure you will get to a stage where you will be able to choose the path that is right for you. Either you want to fit in or you want to soar high. Whatever choice you made, you have to act accordingly. And if you need any help to learn how to start living a purposeful life, where to start from, or if you're looking for an accountability partner to help you live the life of your choice, book a one-on-one with me and I'll do my best as a self-love lifestyle mentor to help you create the life you desire. With this, I'll sign off for now. See you in the next episode. Share this podcast among the people in your network. Subscribe to the podcast on Apple iTunes, Google Podcast, Spotify, and help me reach across the globe, helping people become self-loved. Stay tuned for the next episode and stay self-loved.